Hi everyone, this is Adam Marone, and today we're going to go over how to download and install the new Android Marketplace version 3. And for this, the demonstration, I'm going to be using a hacked and rooted Nook Color, which, if you're interested, there should be a video link to the full review of it. And I'll go to Market now, and you can see it's the standard Android Market, 2.6.6, something like that. Now we're going to go into the search bar, and all you have to do is search new Android Market download. It'll bring up a Google page, and you're looking for a version 3.0 point something or other. So I'm going to go to the third link down. This is likely to change, but this is 3.0.27. There's also 3.0.26, which works just as fine. So I'll go here, find a download link. There we go. And that should pop up a new page just to download it. And then it'll download similar to how if you would download something off the Android Market itself with the bar underneath and whatnot. Alright, that's done. So now you're just going to click on that, and it'll bring you to a page, and it'll bring up a window that says replace application. This is a system application. You want to replace it. All user data will be saved. You just want to say OK. Then it will give you the standard rundown, and you want to say install. Then it will slowly but surely install it. Just take a second or two. Application installed, and now if I go here, I don't know if this camera will show it, but it doesn't look like it wants to focus on it. Let's see if we can get it. But the icon itself is slightly different. It won't really focus, but the bag is actually like more of a 3D look opened instead of just a flat bag. You can see right off the bat how different even the opening screen is, the loading screen. It's this grayer color instead of a whiter color. I find that it runs a bit slower than the standard Android Market. Maybe that's because they're not ready for release yet. But if you can't wait to get your hands on it, then this is the way to go. As you can see, it's definitely different. Gives you here featured apps, and then there's some other featured apps and a featured book here. And then here you have an option for apps, games, and books. And in a previous version of this, there was another option for video movie rentals. And I guess they did away with that for now. But we can go into games here. Again, I just find it takes a bit longer. That'll load up. There we go. And then it's similar to how the opening screen was. There's featured apps all over the place. And then, let's see, is there a way? It doesn't seem to be a way to go to the top apps. Oh, here we go. From the top bar, there's featured, and you can slide along, go to top paid, or slide again, top free. And then if you slide again, I think you'll go back, and then you have to slide the other way. Alright, well, that works. And then if you slide the other way, you can go to the categories option. I'll go to top free just for fun, because I don't want to pay anything. Alright, well, look at something I haven't installed yet. Bubble Blast 2. Why not? Actually, I changed my mind. We're going to get Paper Toss. Again, it seems a bit slower, like it just takes a long time to load. There we go. And then up here is the install button. And then over here, accept and install. And then it will start starting download. And sometimes what will happen is that the download will just never start. And then, like, it'll take, like, I don't know, and then, like, randomly 2 days later, you'll find out that the download's finally started. Like, for instance, this is a GTasks download. Okay, here we go. That I tried to download yesterday. Alright, but that's working now. Like, it's just a very glitchy type of thing. Paper Toss is downloading. It's not exactly the best thing yet, and I guess that's why they haven't released it yet. Okay, here we go. and it works just like it would if you download it from the other one. So there you have it, and that's the new Android market. If you want to go out and look for version 3.0.0 or 3.0.26 or something that might have movie rentals, you could also try that. And let's go back to the market so I can show you one last thing. There's the rate and review, there's the what's new reviews. So that's interesting. I guess the new version, in older versions there used to always be a video review available, but I don't know. Well, that's the Android market.